Sendiio 2.0 is the first and only autoresponder that allows you to profit from the power of email, text, and Facebook Messenger under one central dashboard with zero monthly fees. For far too long, marketers have been debating if email marketing works best, or does text message marketing work best, or is it FB Messenger marketing? Truth is, they all work. They're all extremely profitable, and the fact is your target customers are using all three platforms. So why neglect one marketing channel over another? Why not instead use a platform that combines all three of these extremely profitable marketing channels under one central dashboard and blow the lid off of your profit? Well, Sendiio 2.0 allows you to do just that. It allows you to easily profit from email marketing, text message marketing, and FB Messenger. We've combined email, text, and FB Messenger under one dashboard and made it as simple, and you can do it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Import your lists and create your campaign. Step 2. Send or schedule your campaigns. Step 3. Generate massive profits from the 3 most profitable marketing platforms. Sendiio 2.0 features: import unlimited email contacts without having to go through a verification process. Create and send unlimited email campaigns without ever paying a monthly fee. Create unlimited email lists and assign each list of imported emails to their own separate email list. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your list even further. Follow-up sequence campaigns. Send unlimited emails without any monthly fees by simply connecting to your fully flexible scheduling system for your broadcasts. Fully flexible scheduling system for your follow-up sequences, campaigns, SMS follow-up sequences. Connect to any premium SMTP providers in minutes. View in-depth stats for all your email campaigns. Automatic removal of bounced emails for amazing list hygiene. Connect unlimited domain names. Create unlimited one-time broadcasts campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your Sendiio 2.0 account in lightning speed. Import unlimited phone numbers within seconds. Create unlimited phone lists. Create unlimited opt-in forms to build your phone numbers list even further. Full click stats on your text campaigns. Complete step-by-step training tutorials to set up your text message campaigns in lightning speed. Easily connect unlimited fan pages in a matter of seconds. Capture unlimited Facebook Messenger subscribers. Easily create unlimited follow-up Facebook Messenger sequences. One-time Messenger broadcast messages. Easily skyrocket your profit by resending your email campaigns based on your subscribers' activity. Set up an automatic welcome message for every new Messenger subscriber. Set up unlimited keyword-based chatbot replies, comment replies. Frequently asked questions. Is there a monthly fee? Not right now. During our charter member sale, we're waiving our monthly fee. Is there any additional, required fees to make this work? Absolutely not. The only extra optional fees that you may incur is if you choose to go with a premium SMTP provider to send your emails. However, most of them have a free plan, and if you input multiple accounts, you can get up to 50,000 emails every month for free. Another cost that can incur is heavy usage of text messages. Since we integrate with Twilio for best delivery, they charge per text message sent. However, they have a pay-as-you-use payment system, so you can profit while you use them instead of worrying about a monthly payment. Do you provide step-by-step tutorials? Yes. We not only pride ourselves on building apps that are easy to use out of the gate, we've also put together complete tutorials on every step of Sendiio. And even if you still have trouble, our support is account to help. What are your upsells? Upsell number 1 is our Sendiio Academy training. In this training, I'm going to show you how to build your first 1,000 subscribers in the next 30 days or less. I'm going to share with you over 10 different free traffic strategies that you can start using today to start building your list. This will be a one-time payment of $67. Upsell 2 is unlocking our VI license. This powerful and unique feature to Send is the ability to give access to your VI to run campaigns for you and never compromise your contacts. They'll be able to send campaigns for you but never get access to any of your leads. No other autoresponder does this. With those other guys, you have to actually give access to your entire account and risk your leads being stolen if you wanted to have someone run your campaigns for you. With this feature, you'll still have the power to outsource but never compromise your leads. Upsell 3 is unlocking our Sendiio booster feature, yet another unique feature exclusively for Sendiio. Sending an email in the morning and then sending an email to those people who did not open your emails later in the evening is one of the most profitable strategies when emailing your list. However, with every other autoresponder, you actually have to log in again in the evening time to schedule the second email. With Sendiio, we've automated this process. You set up your email once in the morning time, and you can have Sendiio automatically send to your unopens for you later in the day. You'll be able to specify how many hours after your first email you want the second email to be sent, and you'll be able to automatically set a different subject line as well. Another powerful trick when emailing your unopens. Upsell 4 is access to Email Ramp, and it's Club Upsell in one. Email Ramp come preloaded with high-converting emails that you can copy and paste directly into your Sendiio account, so you can profit right away without ever writing a single word yourself. They have over 1,700 emails in 9 different niches and 10 different types of emails, from storytelling, re-engagement, product launch, emotional emails, and much more. Plus, I negotiated that they include their Club Upsell, which allows customizing and personalizing the emails and being able to send them to your VI within the app so they can send them out for you. You get access to both for only $67, which outside of this deal, you'd have to buy each separately, and that's it. No other upsell after that, and of course, they're all optional.